Hello guys and welcome back to Two Crazy Gamers. I'm doing another Nerf video, doing an unboxing. This is my second unboxing and it's the Nerf Maverick we're unboxing. So it comes with six of these streamline darts. And I've got quite a lot because they're hard to lose, so I'll get 6 out. Yeah, so that's how many 6s. It's quite a lot. So you press this button on here, there. You click it and then push the barrel out and then put the bullets in the holes, like so. And just spin it. And yeah, and then you can either do that or just smack it in. So the way you cock it is like this. It's easy. Quite good. Now I'm going to do a firing test. So it's already loaded. So I'm going to shoot it. Actually, I should move it over here. So I'm going to shoot it. One light on downstairs quickly. Hello. Down on, so you can see. So I'm going to do one shot and that's it. So that one landed quite good. Show you. Landed there. I can't. It's my dog. There. And there's upstairs. I think it's up there. Yeah. So, thanks so much for watching. Watch Two Crazy Gamers episodes. Like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.